Alright guys, so today we're diving into the power window issue on this truck. The passenger side power window doesn't roll up or down. It's stuck in up position. I don't know what the problem is right off the top of my head right now, but we're going to dive into this problem and see if we can't figure it out. I'm hoping it's not going to be too bad, but we'll figure out what the issue is for sure. I'm pretty sure. Hopefully by the end of the video. Anyhow, let's get into it. Alright, so here's the interior of my 2001 Toyota Tundra. Go ahead for the key in the ignition here. AC does blow cold in here, but anyhow, you can see the window works just fine. But nothing. And just to confirm that this is a problem, we're just gonna. That would be a whole lot of nothing happening. Okay, so. Let's start off with the easy answer. What could it be? It could be fuses. I'm pretty sure when your windows stop working though, if the fuse blows, both windows aren't gonna work. So we're gonna just double check and make sure it's not a fuse before we start tearing things apart. Okay, so power window fuse, that would be 36. It's the top corner here, and it does not seem to be blown, and there's only one fuse in there. Okay, I'm going to remove that fuse and just confirm that that is the power window fuse. Alright, so here we are. We got the fuse out, and I don't know if you guys can see that, but this sucker looks to be in good shape. So let's just confirm really quick. Make sure that was the correct fuse. Huh? Look at that. No power window. Go ahead. Throw it back in there. Okay. Yes, sir. Okay, so what's it tell us? Tells us it's not a fuse problem for that window, because there's only one fuse for the power windows in this truck, and it's that 30 amp one. So let's go ahead, pull off that door panel and start doing some testing on the wires over there. I have a sneaking suspicion I know what is going to wind up being, but I'll just save that for you guys here in a minute. Alright, so this is where we're at. Obviously I pulled off my switch from the door there, so we could go ahead and just kind of hook that back up. And we're going to do some testing over here just to see if I have any power coming out of these wires. Interesting, that one's just floating off in there. Wonder what that could have been for. That one's for light. I don't know on that one. Interesting. Anyhow, we're going to hook these back up and I'll get back to you in just a second. Alright, so here's kind of where we're at. This is the wire that seems to be running down to our power window motor. Right here. I just want to double check. I'm pretty sure that's all that's running down there. So, in fact, it's not working. Yep, alright, see, I hit the switch. We guarantee if we hit the other way, power comes from this way. Yeah, so it's our window motor, so I'm going to pop that out of there and see if it's even serviceable. Interesting setup, very interesting. You can see this is what appears to be a cush drive. There is actually a rubber cushion on the other side. Ooh, get that out of the way. Anyhow, you can see it's got these electrical brushes. They seem to be in good shape. Seem to be bad. And here's our field windings. Field windings actually look pretty good. Don't look bad. Don't see anything that raises a red flag right off the top of my head, so I'll try cleaning that. And here you just got a bearing at the end, and you have a couple of magnets. I know you can't see that very well, but believe me, there are a couple of magnets in there. I'll prove it to you. Aha. Yeah. It's magnetic. Anyhow, this is surprisingly simple. Just two wires. They just switch polarity on the current going in there. So we go ahead and clean this up. And yes, I did hook it up to a truck to see if it would roar to life after we disconnected it from the frame. And no, it did not. So I'm going to try cleaning up some of these bits and give it another go. Hey guys, it's a few gloomy days later, and I'll be entirely honest with you. I had to order a brand new window regulator for my pickup, so currently I don't have a window. You win some, you lose some, right? Anyhow, I'm going to go ahead and wrap up this video. If you guys enjoyed this content, please like the video. And if you're brand new here, please subscribe. Join the little group we got going on. Anyhow, I'll catch you guys on the next video. Until then, peace, stay safe out there, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Bye guys.